Hey, my name is Raphael Gordon. I'm an international award-winning speaker, entrepreneur, and author. And two people that inspire me, one is Elon Musk and the other one is Malala. The reason why these two inspire me is because one, Elon Musk uses his genius, his brilliance to try to change the world and shift humanity forward. And that's what I'm all about. And I think that when you have world leaders and entrepreneurs that think on that level of thinking not about themselves, but humanity as a whole, is very, very awesome. And then Malala, because of her age and what she stands for, independence, women's rights, and just the freedom and so that everyone can have an education, and being that what she had went through in her young life and to where she is now is always inspiring to see how that happens, because a person like myself who have come from humble beginnings and had this little struggle as well, but be able to use and see how other individuals have succeeded in their life just always reflects back to me in regards to how I see myself and also pushing to stay forward and stay focused. So those are the two people that inspire me, and I'm looking forward to seeing if they will definitely take a video and pass it forward.